Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Every Day series. Today I'm trying out the Florence by Mills Glow Yeah Lip Oil. So I actually got this in my March 2021 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So if you have not seen that unbagging yet, I'll have that video linked in the description down below. I have to say I'm really happy with it. I got all makeup products and I also had like 4 products that I had redeemed my points for, so it's a really fun unbagging. But I did choose this as one of my products, and I just love nourishing, hydrating lip products because my lips are always dry. So this is definitely right up my alley. And I'm also interested to try out more products from this brand, Florence by Mills. It's Millie Bobby Brown's makeup line, and I love her. She's such an adorable actress. But I've tried out one product before. It was the mascara, and I just did not like it. I felt like it was so flaky, and it just didn't build up. And I understand that this makeup line is probably geared towards a younger demographic, and it's supposed to be more like natural looking, but I feel like a lip oil should be good for anyone at any age. And what I do like about this brand is that it says we keep it clean, cruelty free and vegan. It has African mango butter and Paracris flour, which are nourishing ingredients. So let's see how this is for my dry lips. It's a little bit smaller than I was expecting. It's not like a tiny product, but this retails for $14. It's 0.27 fluid ounces, if that gives you any guidance. So it does have a squeezy tube. Oh, and a flexible tip. That's kind of interesting. But I do love a quick, easy to apply type of packaging like this. So let's just go ahead and see how it is on my lips. I don't think I really get a scent to this. It definitely is so quick and easy to apply. I kind of wish this did have a smell to it because I just love scented lip products, but I do really like the feel of it. So it's a lip oil, not a lip gloss. So I would describe the texture of it as a little bit thinner than a lip gloss, but it's not like super thin and watery. And I really like the shine of it. It's completely clear, which is easy to wear alone. You could wear it as a lip topper, and it really is super hydrating. My lips are looking completely moisturized, no more dryness to my lips, but they're also looking more smoothed out, which is something I really look for in my moisturizing lip products. I like to have less lines in my lips, and this is definitely doing that. It doesn't have like a tingling, plumping effect or anything like that, but it kind of gives the illusion of more full lips because of how hydrating it is and smoothed out my lips. And also a shine always does help enhance the lips as well. But what's also nice about the fact that this is a lip oil is that there is no stickiness to it. So I'm really happy with this right now. I really like that it worked so quickly to get rid of any chapped dryness to my lips. I do think as I've been talking and when I rub my lips together, the shine goes away pretty quickly, but my lips are still hydrated and smooth. So I really have no complaints. Seems like a great lip oil. I would love to know in the comments down below if you have tried out any other Florence by Mills products that you love and that you would recommend. And of course, I also want to know your thoughts on the lip oil if you have tried it as well. But so thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.